I said, Shams, she give me beer attitude now and after I buy the girl the KFC. Beer attitude the girl I give me. So I say, I'll know him to release the box gear. Man say, yo, you have to run some pussy, you know. Him name Brown Man. Them call him Brown Man.
Mm-hmm.
Say, Brown Man, what you talking about? You know, I get a pussy man, run the KFC. I say, I have to run some pussy, you know, I get a KFC, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So man say,
Hold on on the box.
Hold on the box. So I say, Shams, him and her back and forth. So I say, nah, I get a pussy. So I say, alright, man, say, just open the box. Man say, you know, them old time days, what you call them, man, the Viking.
Mm-hmm.
You know, them old time Viking days, man say, just take up the leg out of the box. I like them old time Viking, man. Man say, take one guss or so. I take up all the meat off of the leg. I just left the bone alone. I say, 2 pieces left in the box, though, you know.
Yeah.
I say, well, fuck the shit out there, the back of the car, man, and get that 2 piece.
Yeah. She start big and plead now.
Man say, what you see him go so with the leg, man, and go so. And she realized that, yo, 1 piece that gone, 2 pieces left.
Shot, God.
And she said, alright, come Brown man, come, do your thing. KFC is a very powerful thing in Jamaica.
I never did know that though.